Kia ora te whānau. One of the significant changes we are making to our trust deed is in relation to our loan ratios. Our trust deed specifies the levels of debt that we're entitled to hold relative to the level of our assets and also the level of interest we're allowed to carry relative to the level of our profit. The changes we're proposing would increase the allowable level of debt that we would be able to hold. With me today to help explain this change and why it is needed is Precious Clark, elected representative and director of our commercial subsidiary Whaidawa. Tēnā koe, Precious.
Kia ora, Jamie.
Firstly, can you please explain to the whānau what the current loan restrictions are and why they're so important?
Yeah, sure. Tēnā koe, Jamie. Tēnā koutou te whānau. So having debt limits built into our trust deed is really about risk management. We never want to be in a position that would put our business in unnecessary risks. So having some limits on the level of debt we can borrow is one way to manage this risk. Our current debt ratios restrict the total level of our debt to 30% of the value of our assets. It also restricts our total interest to 50% of EBIT, or earnings before interest and tax. The calculation of these ratios excludes our papakainga and whenua rangatira land, as these lands are protected and cannot be used as security. So what we're proposing is to increase the debt level ratio to 40% and the interest ratio to 67%.
Ka pai. So why are we looking to make this change?
Yeah, there are a number of really good reasons why we're wanting to increase these loan ratios. Firstly, risk. We know that our existing ratios are very conservative compared to other organisations and businesses that have similar assets, and thanks to the hard work, sacrifice and decisions made by those who came before us, we have very high quality asset base that has served us well over recent years. And we know that we can safely increase the level of debt relative to our asset base without putting at risk all that we've already worked towards. Also opportunity, so having more available capital will enable Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei to take more opportunities as they present themselves. And over the next few years we'll have more opportunity to grow our business, and we must be ready to take these. This includes expanding our development program and also diversification. And most importantly for our whānau, we have a clear long-term strategy and ambition to improve the lives of our whānau. So increasing our debt ratios means that we have the ability to increase the grants, programs, housing and other supports that will be made available to whānau. And this is really important if we want to realise our ambition.
Okay, thanks Precious. So what's the current situation with our debt levels?
Well, Whaidawa takes a very conservative approach to debt. Prior to COVID-19, our debt to asset ratio was around 20%, well below the current 30% limit. Our approach is to always maintain a significant buffer between our actual level of debt and the trust deed limits. And this is another reason why we are wanting to increase the ratio so we can safely keep that headroom in the situation that there are other unforeseen market shocks.
Well, kia ora, Precious. Well, speaking of shocks, the COVID pandemic has severely impacted households, whānau, many businesses, and we know those effects will be ongoing for some time. How has it impacted our business and what does the future hold?
Yeah, that's a really good question, Jamie. So, firstly, whānau can be proud of our business and how it is being managed, thanks to the foresight of those who came before and also our current management approach. We're in a strong position, especially compared to other businesses. What you can expect is to see some of our property valuations be impacted. However, given what we are seeing in the market, the quality of our assets and our prudent level of debt, we're confident we will come out of this in a strong position. And this is critical because we'll need to be ready to support whānau through their recovery process over the coming years.
That's really good to hear, Precious. Still, some whānau may still be a bit uncertain or concerned about any increases in our debt. What safeguards or assurances will be in place around this change?
Good question again. So debt ratios are managed very closely. Whaidawa reports on these levels every month to the Whaidawa board and also to the trust. And it's also important to remember that the proposed changes are in line with what our banks currently require, who have very strict expectations around debt management. Also remember that any debt ratio calculation will exclude our special hapu land, which is protected forever.
Well, ngā mihi, Precious. Thank you, really appreciate your time and insight.
Kia ora.
Whānau, I hope that's given you some more information about one of the important changes to our trust deed that you will vote on at the SGM this year. Other key changes to the deed include the membership definition, changes to enable electronic voting, and changes to reflect the new Trusts Act. More information about all of these changes will be made available on our website, and there will be live Q&A sessions in July and August, so please take advantage of these sessions to ensure you are ready to vote. Thank you whānau, ngā mihi kia koutou katoa.
Ngā mihi nui kia koutou te whānau, mena he pātai au, pātai mai, ka wē ware ki te pōti, mauri ora kia tātou.